Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we got a few more upgrades to the M3. We picked up some well, let's see what we picked up. This here, we got 2 boxes from FCP Euro, as you can see here. Let's open them up and see what we got. We got some goodies. What we got here. Oh, we got a bunch of stuff. All right, we ordered the full bushing kits, all the bushings. I'll take these out and go one by one, tell you what they are. As you can see, we got a box, bushings and screws and just a little bit of everything. We got some I-back. I think those were the adjustable camber things, but we'll go through those, pull them out of the box, go through them. Let's see what we have in here then. And here we have, nope, I'm gonna have to cut this just a little bit more. There we go. And in here we have a bunch more. We got a oil pan gasket and a bunch of bushings, bunch more bushings. So let's go through all these and see what we got. All right, as you can see, this is the complete kit that we got in. So we got the camber, the adjustable camber arm kit, I-back. We got the full comprehensive bushing kit from FCP Euro. Comes with all the different bushings. You can see those. We also got the control arm bushings, the kit there. We got the oil pan gasket, got a transmission mount. We also got the transmission shift lever bushings right there, and we got the strut mount reinforcement plates and the shock mount reinforcement, and that's it. We're gonna get all this installed and done properly, but that's the whole kit. So that's everything we've ordered from FCP Euro. We're gonna go ahead and get all this installed now. I'm gonna try to get some video of that, we'll see, but for now, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, leave any comments below, give me some ideas what to do on the car. So again, like, share, subscribe.